In this video, I will show you how to put passwords on Google Chrome. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and put a password on Google Chrome, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser. And once you've done this, you want to come up to the top right hand corner, click onto this three dots to bring up this menu, and then you want to come and hover over the extensions option, and on this submenu that comes up, just come across and click onto Visit Chrome Web Store. Now, once you've opened up the Chrome Web Store, we're going to be looking for a extension which is going to password lock the Google Chrome. So what we can do is use the search box at the top, just go ahead and type lock and then press enter. And what we're going to do is use this second one down here, so you can see the icon looks like this. It just says set password for your browser, so just go ahead, give that a click to be taken to the extension page. And what you can do is click the blue Add to Chrome button. When the pop-up that comes up, just go ahead and click onto Add Extension, and this is just going to take a minute or two to add this extension to your Chrome browser. As you can see, what's going to happen, you're going to get a confirmation saying that's now been added. So what it's going to do is take you to a screen like this, where you can enter your password and re-enter your password. Now, after you actually do this, what's going to happen is the browser is going to automatically close, and you will, of course, need to enter the password when it refreshes. So what I'm going to do is just enter my password. So you would select this in here, re-enter your password, and then click save. Once you've done that, it's going to close down Google Chrome. And of course, next time you try to launch Google Chrome, you will now be password protected, so you would need to enter that password to access Google Chrome. So that is how to put passwords on Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.